Hello, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of clearing Snapchat's AI data. If you want to manage your AI data and maintain your privacy, this full guide will show you how. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the iconic yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, locate and tap on your account picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. On your profile page, you'll notice a gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings. Step 4. Scroll down through the settings options until you find Clear My AI Data. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you want to clear your AI data. To proceed with clearing your AI data, tap on Confirm. By clearing your Snapchat's AI data, you can manage your data and enhance your privacy. Please note that clearing your AI data does not affect your account settings or personalized experiences within the app. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.